Hello, I'm Batul Hussein, student in the first stage of Radiological Techniques department at الزراعة University. Today we talk about micropropagation. What is the micropropagation? When do we need to work with it? Types of laboratory cultures, tools and devices needed in the tissue cultures laboratory, steps of delicate replication, the result we get. What is the micropropagation? Micropropagation or tissue culture is the practice of rapidly multiplying stock plants material to produce many progeny plants using modern plant tissue culture method. It is the process of growing a plant cell, tissue or organ inside the laboratory in nutrient medium and under special conditions suitable for the growth of plant tissue. When do we need to work with it? Benefits of tissue cultures technique: production of disease-free plants, production of plants with better qualities and high quality, lab production of secondary compounds, conservation and improvement of plants' genetic assets. It is considered first and foremost as a biological technical research study for the study of plant science. Types of laboratory cultures: a culture of meristein type, a culture of shoot type, single node culture, protoplast culture, overview of cells, tissue, and organ culture, and another micropropagation techniques. Now we talk about tools and devices needed in the tissue cultures laboratory. Aluminium foil, gloves, heat resistance, glassware, petri dishes, test tube, sensitive plants, distilled water, micropipette, automatic pipette, hood, flame, magnetic heater, moving tables for transporting sterile tools and glassware. Stages of micropropagation. Stage 1. The stage of establishing the explant and serial cultivation. We take into account that is a stage to choose a plant with good qualities that is free of diseases and in the stage of active growth. This plant will be the mother plant. After that, we begin the process of surface sterilization of the parts to be propagated throughout, whether they are leaves, tubers. The process reduces the amount of contaminants of the surface of plant tissue. After the surface sterilization process of the plant tissue, the tissue must be washed with sterile and distilled water twice, with repeated washing with water until the previous solution are removed. Care must be taken to work in a protection room near a flame, in a sterile condition and sterile tools. Stage 2. Multiplication stage. One of the aim of this stage is the rapid increase in the number of plant organs. This stage, the plants go through 3 stages: A, B, and C. Growth hormones are added at this stage in certain proportion according to the type of a plant and the part to be multiplied. After going through the previous stages, we do the process of subculturing in new containers and media. Stage 3. The stage of rooting in the laboratory and acclimatization. This stage lasts 1 generation for a period of 2 or 4 weeks. Stage 4. Acclimatization and extravascular rooting stage. Branches should be placed in a suitable medium when they are moved outside the vessels for rooting and acclimatization and to support their growth and development. The results we get. Micropropagation is a new technique and has to override cereal barrier.